What's going on, guys? Been a little bit since I've been on here, probably about 3 weeks. Really sorry taking so long to get you some new videos. Also, just realized apparently I love this shirt because I'm pretty sure it's the same shirt I had on last time I did a video. However, Combat Iron Apparel, great company, great shirt, fits awesome. Check them out. My girlfriend's an ambassador for them. You can get 15% off with her code. I'll link it in here somewhere. So today's video, did a little leg workout. This is actually from last Monday. Been doing legs every Monday and also every Thursday. So one day is a heavy day, another day is like a dynamic leg day, doing like higher reps and lower weight and stuff like that. But anyways, this is supposed to be my heavy leg day. Didn't have a gym, so I used what I got, which is why I titled the video, use what you have. So sometimes you don't have access to dumbbells and barbells and all the heavy weights, but you can still fatigue the legs and those muscles with what's around. You can even do it with body weight, to be honest with you. This is a Bulgarian split squat. You can do this off your bed, off a chair, off a table, off steps, off a tire, whatever you have. And this will isolate your quads and your glutes and even your hamstrings, just depending on how far you have your foot out and what muscle groups you're focusing on when you're pressing up. But a great warm up for your legs. Good warm up for even like a run day, anything you're using your lower body for. Also the pulses here at the bottom of the air squat, just kind of something different, you know, kind of training the muscles in a different way. I knew I was going to be doing a lot of lifting, so I wanted to get warm in that bottom position, getting better at exploding. So just a couple really good warm-ups right here. Okay, the curtsy lunge. This is probably one not a lot of you have done, or maybe you have done it before, but you definitely don't incorporate it that often. So I do this movement in one of my leg workouts every week. It really helps train like that side-to-side strength for like agility, also like your abductors and your adductors and your kind of like thighs. You can do it with just body weight. This is also a good one as a warm-up. Or you can do it for like a circuit, but today I used a small tire and did it with overhead weight, which made it even more challenging. It really helps work that stability and just like getting comfortable in that side-to-side motion. All right, now next I did these up and overs, I called them. So yeah, it's core, but adding that little bit of a challenge to go up and over something will really help train those hip flexors, and surprisingly your quads will really feel this as well. I'm not doing the best here because I'm tired at this point. This is probably a little over halfway through my workout, but try to do your best to keep your legs stretched out as far as you can. Point your toes and try to keep that core tight. Try to stay compressed. You'll be feeling it in your legs and your core. Okay, if you haven't noticed, I do love to do supersets. This next superset right here is one that I always would incorporate, and even if I had barbell dumbbells. I love doing deadlifts, I love doing lunges, love-hate relationship with lunges. Again, using that little tire that I had to add a little bit of complexity to the movement. Just did 5 each way, did a nice 12 deadlifts. I'm not sure what that tire weighs, but it's pretty challenging. It's probably like a mid-range weight for me if I was, you know, comparing it to doing it with a barbell. So yeah, just again, use what you got. Focus on those different muscle groups that you're trying to hit. So on some of the sets, I would focus on really squeezing my glutes at the top, and other sets I would focus on a little bit more of using my hamstrings, almost like a straight leg deadlift. Yeah, and it just hits all the muscle groups. Great workout, love deadlifts. Okay, last one here. Last one, I'm doing farmer carries. Now these you've probably seen people do with kettlebells and dumbbells more often. Sometimes people even do them with plates. You can do them with sandbags. So using what I have here today, using this tire, this was actually really challenging, but really fun at the same time. Really challenges that side to side, you know, that strength moving laterally. Just throwing these overhead squats in at the end, again, just making it a little more challenging. You can just do body weight squats. But my knees were starting to feel it, so I did kind of make it assisted at the end where my butt just hit the tire. Kind of gives you a little bit of momentum, but also allows you to go a little faster to get the intensity up. So this was one of the last things I did, so I wanted to get my heart rate up a little bit and finish strong. So give it a try. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy seeing me in front of the camera more. Gonna try to do better at that. Yeah, just been really thinking about getting a new camera for a while. Been using my phone so far. Still using my phone, but that's another reason why I haven't been in front of the camera. I don't feel like the quality is very great, but I've had a lot of people ask, request, hey man, you need to get in front of the camera more. I love seeing you, love hearing from you. I can relate to you more, so here you go. It does feel good to be in front of the camera. Again, whatever workout you're doing, this one was leg day, but whatever you're doing, just use what you have. Just get out there and do something. If it's 15 to 30 minutes, at least a few days a week, that doesn't sound like a lot, but trust me, that's better than nothing. You can at least maintain some level of strength and conditioning with that. This is just kind of fun, but enjoy your workouts, enjoy what you're doing. Get out when it's nice. We're getting close to fall here, almost winter time, so not gonna be able to get outside as much, so enjoy it while you can. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Remember to always move with a purpose. Stay classy.